92.7 बिग एफएम पे मैं हूं प्रथमेश आपके साथ एंड विथ मी राइट हियर इज मिस्टर निखिल मासुरकर सीईओ ऑफ एंटोड फार्मा एंड डॉक्टर नीपा ठक्कर जी। वेलकम ऑन बिग एफएम मैम, पहले तो आपका स्वागत है। मैम आपसे शुरू करते हैं, प्लीज़ पूरी मुंबई को बताओ कि आपके बारे में मैम कौन हो और क्या करते हो प्लीज़।
My name is Dr. Neepa Thakkar Dave and I'm a pediatric ophthalmologist, which means I take care of children's eye problems.
करेक्ट,
And I've been doing so for the last 19 years now.
या मिस्टर निखिल आप सारी दुनिया को बताओ सर, आप ये क्या हो और कौन हो प्लीज़।
So I'm looking after Entod Pharmaceuticals. It's a specialty pharmaceutical company dealing with eye medicines for over 48 years.
डॉक्टर नीपा, एक ना सबसे बड़ा सवाल एक आया था कि मायोपिया का मतलब क्या है। सुबह उठ के मैं गूगल कर रहा था, सो आई वाजंट अवेयर एट ऑल। समवेयर आई न्यूड की साइटेडनेस एंड कि आंखों से लेना देना है इस वर्ड को लेके। कैन यू टेल एवरीवन व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज मायोपिया अबाउट?
So, myopia is an eye condition
ओके,
where you can't see at distance objects.
Okay.
You can see something at near if you bring it very close. But basically, it's an eye condition where distant vision is compromised.
ओके,
It comes basically from a slightly long eyeball. When the eyeball grows a little bit more longer than usual, then the rays of the light focus in front of the eyeball.
Okay.
And then it causes this problem.
ओके। एंड मिस्टर निखिल, ये जो कैंपेन मायोपिया के अराउंड जो हो रहा है विच इज फ्रीडम ऑफ मायोपिया, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम मायोपिया, राइट? कैन यू टेल अस कि व्हाई डिड यू थिंक अबाउट दिस एंड व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू टू take care of this whole thought of myopia?
See, if you look at myopia as an eye condition, it's quite alarming. So in fact, myopia is often called as the silent pandemic.
Okay.
Because in India, it's estimated that 1 out of 4 children may be myopic. And if nothing is done about it, by 2047, when India would be a developed nation, 1 in every 2 children could be myopic. So it's a big problem, and therefore we thought that a proper awareness of myopia should happen across every city, every town, so that we could encourage people to take their children to an eye doctor to get it checked at a very early age.
So it's a growing challenge in the city, in the country itself. Like when was the time, doctor, if you can tell us, कि कभी ऐसा एक समय था कि मालूम पड़ा कि इसका एक पर्टिकुलर ये एक डिसऑर्डर है जो अभी बढ़ रहा है, ये अचानक से कब नोटिस हुआ?
So I think the last 5 to 10 years is showing a slight increase in the trend.
Okay.
But the last 5 years or probably post-COVID, the incidence of myopia, which is new cases of myopia, are rapidly increasing.
Okay.
So much so that, like he said,
Yeah.
it's soon going to be every second child. And that's quite a bit.
Okay. So is it to do with anything to do with technology and the change in lifestyle, or because it's always a question कि हमें हमेशा एक सवाल था कि यार एक तो जेनेटिक्स में रहता है कुछ चीज़ें कि ये अभी इनकी गलतियों से हुआ है। क्योंकि आई गिव अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट हैपेंस कि जब किसी को कुछ तकलीफ होती रहती है, घर वाले बोलेंगे कि यार ये तेरी गलतियों से हो रहा है, तू फ़ोन ज़्यादा यूज़ करता है इसके लिए हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली कभी कभी रूट कॉज उसका जेनेटिक्स भी रहता है। सो कैन यू सेपरेट अस द एक्सप्लेनेशन बिटवीन कि व्हाट इज genetical and what is actually the lifestyle standards
So,
impacting?
very good question, because myopia has both things to blame. But a very small part is genetic. Now there is a whole change in environmental factors. Our children are more indoors than outdoors. Our children are more looking at gadgets than playing outside. Our children have less sunlight compared to, say, 10 years back. 10, 20 years back when I was growing up, the only way to relax after school was go down and play. Now your children have so many other indoor things to do.
Correct.
And urbanization, lot of school work, schools are going digital. So many things are changing. So all these new environmental factors are coming up, and all of them are increasing the number of children getting myopia, and the ones who already have some myopia, that myopia is also progressing rapidly.
Correct. Mr. Nikhil, you have been working in this pharmaceutical space for a very long time, and I'm sure your market studies and every observation comes in the picture where you have to channelize it and give it through the media and create that awareness. Why did you think of this? Because it's rising at the same time, but वो collaboration का process किस तरीके से आपने सोचा है क्यों किया? उसके बाद
See, for us, we've been engaging with doctors for a long time, and they've been telling us for many years that it's a very serious issue. Our job as a pharmaceutical company is to find where the gaps in therapy is. Okay. And we realized that the gap is in myopia. One is that there was no treatment as such for myopia, no medicine for myopia in the past. And secondly, there was a lack of awareness. So we wanted to do both things at the same time. One is invest in research so that we could develop medicines for myopia. And at the same time, raise a public awareness so that every parent will understand what myopia is and what they need to do about it. And for that, we had to engage with the doctors. We had to engage with the media, and with great radio platforms like yours. We feel that it is the right way to actually reach out to every person in the country.
ओके डॉक्टर नीपा, ये ना हमेशा से सवाल रहा है कि whenever there is any disorder or any health related issues that is happening, any early signs you think it can begin from childhood, और क्या ये मायोपिया एक अडल्टहुड में भी हो सकता है, एक पेरेंट जो रहेगा उसको भी हो सकता है? सो आई वांट टू नो द डिफरेंस कि क्या बच्चों को ही हो सकता है कि अडल्ट्स को भी हो सकता है?
So usually begins in childhood, grows up to 18, 19 years of age, because till then the eyeball is growing.
करेक्ट.
And usually after 20s, it kind of settles down. Of course, the next wave will come when you have lens changes and other things in old. But it's basically new onset is usually in childhood,
Okay.
and can increase till you kind of big up and adapt. Now, I want to add something. Why are we talking about this?
Yeah.
Right? When we say we need awareness, we need to know about myopia. What we need to know is, if your numbers only increase, if you become more and more myopic, what happens tomorrow? Tomorrow, as you grow, you become an adult, your 30s, 40s, at that time you're going to get hit badly if you already have high myopia during childhood. The incidence of you getting cataract earlier is high.
Yeah.
There are two conditions, glaucoma and some retinal disorders. Both of them are vision threatening. So if you have high myopia and you growing up like this, you're going to be in for vision trouble when you're older.
Yep.
That is why the whole game is to be aware, prevent it if possible, and if you have myopia, do not allow it to progress.
Okay, and if I ask you about the symptoms that usually notice होते रहेंगे शुरुआत में, कि कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि सामने वाले को कि actually he is going through myopia? Also, one question that person is coming कि is it to do with anybody having a specs? अगर जिसको specs नहीं भी है, क्या उसको भी हो सकता है?
Yes, किसी को भी हो सकता है myopia, and there are two cohorts which will pick it up: the school or the parents. For children,
Okay.
the school teacher will classically send a note back saying XYZ is not copying from the board, not paying attention. Parents will pick up signs like the child is now going close to the TV to watch it, or they are traveling, they see something, the parent can see it, the child can't. And then there are some things that the parents pick up. Sometimes the child needs to narrow their eyes to see something. All those small subtle signs the parents can pick up better than the others.
करेक्ट. मिस्टर निखिल, मुझे बताओ कि हाउ आर यू लाइक प्लानिंग a very long term vision, because I'm sure that you are catering to a different set of audience when it comes to any age group. किस तरीके से एंटॉर्ड फार्मा इसका हिस्सा है, एंड क्या एग्जैक्टली करने वाले हैं, ये हमें बताइए.
So we've been focusing on developing new medicines for myopia for a long time. In fact, we were one of the first to commercialize an eye drop for treating myopia way back in 2017.
Okay.
Now recently we got approval for another eye medicine for again for the first time in the world.
Okay.
And we are continuing that research drive. And maybe post 2030 you will have many more therapeutic options, as in eye drops,
Yeah.
which could manage myopia. But beyond the management, it's about awareness and catching it at a very young age.
Okay.
So what we are doing as part of our campaigns is to make sure that the message is spread in a proper way, and at the same time we keep the research going. Okay. And the biggest problem I think our younger generation is facing is the smartphone. Right, smartphone addiction is something which is probably the biggest crisis our country is going to see. So in the future, we will also expand it to smartphone addiction as well.
Yeah.
For which I think radio is a great tool, because radio is one of the few non-screen entertainment platforms.
Correct.
And I think if we could utilize radio to get our kids off the screen even for some time,
Yeah.
I think that will also make a difference.
सो वी ऑलवेज कॉल इन रेडियो विच इज थिएटर ऑफ माइंड बोला जाता है कि जो भी आप सोचते हो जो भी आप सुनते हो इट्स ऑलवेज इमेजिन इन वॉट इट गोज थ्रू बट विद द राइजिंग लाइक यू सेड राइजिंग नंबर्स ऑफ डिवाइसेस एंड इतना एक्सपोजर मिल गया डॉक्टर हमें कि अभी हर किसी को 4-5 लोगों को छोड़ के मेरी आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है शाम होती ये हो जाता है बट ऑन द अदर स्केल जब मैं आपको पूछूंगा कि व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर चाइल्डहुड ऑफ कोर्स मिलेनियल्स में ऐसा होता है कि यार वो टाइम पे इतना नहीं था एक्सपोजर आई से कि जब हम टीवी लगाते थे देयर शुड बी अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस राइट कि हमारा टीवी वहाँ पे हुआ करता था हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के देखते थे और ऊपर मुंडी हुआ करती थी एंड तभी टाइम ये आई गेस देयर वाज नो नोटिसेबल थिंग्स दैट यूज्ड टू कम नाउ विद द राइजिंग प्रॉब्लम्स दैट अराइजेस व्हाट आर द क्योर सॉल्यूशंस व्हाट पीपल कैन अडेप्ट ओवर हियर किस तरीके से प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं इस चीज़ को ये हमें बताइए
So, what we tell all our parents and families who we interact with is there are a few things that they should do. One is eat well, two is sleep well, three is stay away from small screens.
मैम यही तो एग्जैक्टली नहीं हो रहा था
Phones, iPads. And the fourth important thing is get a lot of sunlight.
Yeah.
Sunlight is protective towards myopia. So now coming back to the screens, yeah. I know it's difficult. So what the next level is, if you need a screen for personal entertainment, use the biggest screen, the TV, so that your distance between the child and the screen is the maximum. We try our best to tell them no small screens, mobile phones, iPads. It's the nearness of the screen.
Yeah.
That is what is killing us.
डॉक्टर एनी सिम्टम एक बता सकते हैं मुझे क्योंकि नॉर्मली हर किसी के डिवाइस अपनी आंखों के सामने ही रहते हैं तो ऐसे कोई सिम्टम्स जो कि आंख में पानी आना शायद से इट कैन बी एनी ऑफ द थिंग्स सो कैन यू टेल अस लाइक व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर द सिम्टम्स दैट वन कैन गो थ्रू ड्यूरिंग मायोपिया
So myopia is mostly a vision.
ओके
Right.
ओके
But the indirect signs that you will see will be tired eyes, pink eyes, sometimes dry eyes, sometimes watering, excessive itching, wanting to just close your eyes, not tolerate the bright light. These are indirect signs. But when it leads to myopia, it will preliminarily be a vision issue.
Okay, so basically, like you mentioned, sunlight. Now, any age group, if I ask you, when it comes to a child, at the same time adult, कितना ज़रूरी है इस चीज़ को ट्रीट करना? You think any physical activity like being in sunlight or any sports activity like basic as gym or cardio can help this thing?
Absolutely. There's enough research, good scientific research to say, it seems like a lot in today's day, but ideal is 2 hours of sunlight every single day for a child. Ideal.
2 hours, okay.
So that's what you tell, let the family know. And, as parents, we have a choice now to choose our extracurriculars, right? So I always tell the parents, instead of choosing an online chess class, choose an outdoor activity.
Correct.
Start from there.
It's like training the mind at the same time you train physically as well. Mr. Nikhil, I will ask you about Android Pharma at the same time. Your personal thing. When was the time like any of the sport that you used to play, जो आपको लगता था कि यार ये चीज़ हमें मिस होती है बहुत personally, which you think?
Any outdoor sport, I think everyone is so busy nowadays indoor
Yeah.
that we're not busy outdoor.
Correct.
Right? When we were kids, we used to play football, cricket, we used to go down and play. Now that era has gone.
Correct.
And it's sad it has gone because that was also fun.
Yeah.
So I think that's something that I miss personally.
Yeah.
And I think we should have an ecosystem where the kids are encouraged to go out and play. And make it fun at the same time.
Correct.
And I think this is lacking because you want so much on the screen.
Correct.
That at the same time we can't tell parents to take the screen away because the kids don't know what else to do. But they may panic because that's what they're used to from childhood.
Yeah.
Like we were introduced to screen much later on in our lives. So
Yeah.
for us to get rid of it is okay. They have been introduced to it from the time they were born literally.
Yeah.
So we need to have an alternative, and the alternative, as Nam said, could be larger screens or some kind of outdoor activity which is fun for the kids and which is also a learning experience for them.
Correct. So this is one of the preventable thing that one can do. When I talk about the pharmaceutical space, what is that one thing that Android Pharma is coming up with? As you mentioned, the eye drops. Do you think there are many other medicines and curable things that is coming for this myopia, or is it the only one that now it's released about myopia?
There's not that many eye drops or therapeutic options for myopia. There's quite a few which we have already gone into and we developed and commercialized. We are working on a couple more options.
Okay.
They will be first in the world whenever they are approved and once successful. And we are our R&D is working very hard to make sure that we put in all our efforts, because I think this is about the health of our children and the future of the country. So we take it very seriously. We take it even beyond the commercial aspect of it.
Correct.
For us, the end game is not to make a medicine. The end game is to basically improve the health of the nation.
Correct.
Because I think that will make us feel that the purpose has been, kind of fulfilled in some way or the other.
Okay.
So it's a lifelong kind of attempt, and this is just the start. I think we have a long way to go, but a lot of new things will come. Eye drops is not the only way to treat it. There are many other ways, and doctors. India is blessed to have, I think, some of the best eye doctors in the world. So they know how to treat it really well, and eye drops is one part of it.
Yeah, doctor, this thing is a ongoing thing on internet. Nowadays, people are wearing new specs and they're saying writing a meme called "paying for my own vision." So that means कि मेरी ही आंखों की जिंदगी की विजन जो है उसके लिए मेरे को ही पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, वो तो देख नहीं पा रहे लोग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मीम गोज लाइक कि पेइंग फॉर माई ओन विजन एज इन कि मैं अपने ही फ्यूचर को देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ कितना दूर तक, मुझे उसके लिए भी चश्मे लग रहे हैं. दैट्स द थॉट ओवर इट. नाउ इज इट प्रिवेंटेबल व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेडिसिन्स, व्हेन इट कम्स टू एनी क्योरेबल एलिमेंट? एक भारतीय पेशेंट हमेशा होता है कि यार मेरे को दवाई नहीं लेनी, मेरे को कुछ वैसी चीज़ नहीं करनी जो ऑन गोइंग और लॉन्ग गोइंग हो. ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये कब तक करूँ मैं. तो एक थ्रेट हमेशा रहता है, एक फियर हमेशा रहता है. बट यू थिंक दिस विल बी अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग फॉर मायोपिया, anybody utilizing this medicine?
No, I want to. So, no. So, here's what I want to say. Myopia, when you are talking about glasses or giving the new drops or anything,
Correct.
you have to understand that this is not a treatment option to reverse myopia. Myopia is a condition where the eyeball has grown. It's like height. You've grown so much. You're not going to reduce your height, right? The eyeball has grown so much. You've got myopia, say, of -2. Now you know that this myopia is only going to increase as you grow till 18. The new drops that we are talking about are effective in not allowing the myopia to go up too much. What is already there cannot be reversed. So we are not talking about treating it. We are talking about better managing it.
Correct. So it's a balancing the way of different better for everyone who is going to be there. So there should be no fear at the same time, क्योंकि हमेशा वो रहता है कि आंखों को लेके कि something should not go wrong, something should not be longevity में effect ना हो जाए, वो एक हमेशा होता है. निखिल, मुझे बताओ कि आगे इस जैसे आपके कैंपेन के थ्रू एक क्या मैसेज आप पूरी भारत को देना चाहोगे थ्रू योर एंटोड फार्मास्यूटिकल्स एट द सेम टाइम?
I think the main message is for parents, for teachers to identify the early signs of myopia in their children, and to take them to the eye doctor even if they feel that there is no eye problems as such. When kids cannot see the blackboard or whiteboard, they don't know that it is something wrong. They think it's normal. They don't know the difference between clear vision and unclear vision. Whereas we as adults know. So I think every parent should take their children to an eye doctor once they turn around 5 years or so, to get this condition diagnosed at an early stage. And if it is diagnosed early, it can be managed pretty well.
या एंड फ्रीडम फ्रॉम मायोपिया से आपको लग रहा है कुछ गेन हुआ है अटेंशन अभी तक? काफ़ी लोगों को अवेयरनेस मालूम पड़ा है काफ़ी लोगों में. डिड यू सी एनी स्टडी दैट यू फेल्ट कि अभी लोगों को मालूम पड़ रहा है इसके बारे में?
Yeah, we have already, through our previous campaigns of freedom from myopia and the national myopia, we have reached out to almost 11 crore people in India, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And I think it's just the start. There is a lot of awareness that is left. I don't want to be complacent at this stage to say, it has worked. We have a long way to go, and I think radio is a great platform to spread the message.
या डॉक्टर, वन लास्ट थिंग दैट कम्स, हर कोई आजकल चैट जीपीटी की वजह से ना सेल्फ डॉक्टर बन गए. सेल्फ मेडिकेशन होता है, वो आंखों का हो या फिर अभी किसी ने बताया कि आंखों पे पानी नहीं मारना चाहिए, ऐसा कहते हैं क्योंकि उससे डैमेज होते हैं. बट कुछ लोग ऑन द अदर एंड किसी ने इंटरनेट पे देख लिया कि नहीं आंखों को पानी मारना चाहिए, उससे तुम्हारा चश्मा चले जाता है. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज टू नॉट सेल्फ एडुकेट थ्रू इंटरनेट, especially when there are symptoms like myopia, जब हो रहा हो, and why it's important to consult a doctor? Please tell us.
I absolutely agree with you. There is no role for ChatGPT, AI, whatnot. Because sometimes the information that you get there is not relevant. In fact, it may sometimes even harm you. Let's take your own little example that you gave. आँख पे कौनी मारना चाहिए या नहीं मारना चाहिए? मारने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Right? It does not help in any way. So we actually don't advocate that at all.
Yeah.
There are so many other myths about kajal, about eye drops, about many other things, the blue filtered glasses. I think all advice or discussion should happen with an eye doctor. What is good for you, what is not good for you. But the general messages do not take answers from AI and ChatGPT.
Yeah, because my very recent example of my friend who came up with wearing a surma in his eyes. तो इट्स लाइक कि मेरे मम्मी ने बोला उस दिन उसको वो रील दिखा था, तो रील पे बोला कि आंखों पे ठंडक होती है उससे. मिडल ऑफ नो वेयर नथिंग ही हैज कम अप विद आंखों पे सुरमा लगा के, एंड नेक्स्ट डे उसकी आंख जल रही थी.
So we have so many examples of when it has reacted adversely in children. The kajal is a practice, right? We've seen so many complications because of that. So I think it's a no.
Mr. Nikhil, like, see, you have been in this space of CEO and आपको पता है सर असली बिजनेस कैसे होता है, आपको पता है कि how that message should be conveyed. Why one should not follow that one reel which is not certified, which is not authorized at the same time? बस एक कोई ज्ञान दे रहा है आपको लगता है. And why it's important as a brand when you communicate with whole intensity of the people. And वो एक मैसेज में कितना इम्पैक्ट रहता है वो ज़रूरी होता है मेरे हिसाब से. तो प्लीज टेल अस कि why it's important for everyone to follow up those prescription and medicines given by doctor throughout Entod Pharmaceuticals की तरफ से जो आने वाला है. तो उसके ऊपर अगर आप एक मैसेज दे दो तो.
So I think when we have such good eye doctors in our country, every part of India, and they're so accessible, and they're one of the best in the world in terms of diagnosis, therapy, surgery, then we shouldn't rely on information we get from the AI platforms and all of that, because that can also be damaging. So the message is to whatever eye questions you have, go and visit an eye doctor. And you will get the best advice. That is the main message. To send children to the eye doctor is what we've been trying to do for the last 4 to 5 years. Correct. And obviously, as a pharmaceutical company, we have a duty of care, not just to make a medicine, but to promote the entire medical condition. The awareness of myopia should be in every village of India. Because this problem is going to, kind of blow out of proportion, and already has in many cases, but I think it will get much worse if you don't do anything about it. As a pharma company, that is our kind of ethical responsibility to make sure that every child, every parent knows the word myopia, what it is, and that they need to go to an eye doctor, and that the eye doctor will sort it out.
I'm really happy to know like it's reaching different parts of our country. That's very important because there are certain places where I believe a right information is not able to be communicated to the people, but एक random information ऐसे पहुंच जाती है जिसको वो असली reality मान लेते हैं. ये एक अभी के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Ma'am, one last question, one final message and tips to those parents who are watching us and listening us. क्या रहेगा वो?
So I want all parents to be aware of myopia. It is a condition, it's real, it could happen to your child. Take good preventive care. Make sure you get a lot of sunlight. The two main factors that I would emphasize on currently is sunlight and screens. Good sunlight, no screens. Having said that, frequent eye tests with the eye doctors. Once, God forbid, if you did get myopia, at least you're aware of the condition, and then you will be suggested with new ways to not allow it to increase, so that tomorrow when you grow up, you're not facing real vision threatening eye problems.
Okay. One last message, Mr. Nikhil Masurkar, please बताओ कि Freedom from Myopia campaign के through एक last message for the parents and everyone who is following this thing. क्या रहेगा?
If your child is 5 years and over, make sure they visit an eye doctor, take them to get their eyes checked. Don't go by ChatGPT or reels, and don't be influenced by those kind of messages. Be influenced by what the eye doctor tells you. That is the ultimate advice that you can get. And try and limit screen time in children. It is a challenge, but we have to make it happen for their future.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Nikhil. Thank you so much, Dr. Nipa, for being a very visionary people at the same time. I am sure कि ये लोग फॉलो करेंगे एंड इससे एक अवेयरनेस क्रिएट होगी एंड इससे एक अच्छा ही मैसेज जाएगा. जैसे हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि हमारा जो टैगलाइन है धुन बदल के तो देखो. दिस इज अ चेंज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट राइट नाउ एंड आई होप दिस विल मेक अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the initiative.